Forget everything you thought you knew about the Nissan Titan. The 2027 model is here, and it's not just playing catch-up. It's coming for the throne. With a ground-up new platform and technology that finally shames the competition, Ford, Ram, and Chevy. You've got a serious problem. So what exactly makes this truck such a game changer? In this video, we're counting down the 6 special features on the 2027 Nissan Titan that make it worth the wait. Let's get into it. Number 6. The Warrior concept. When it was first unveiled, many wrote it off as just a radical design study, a flight of fancy, too aggressive and too futuristic for production. But with the 2027 Titan, Nissan is proving that the Warrior wasn't just a concept, it was a prophecy. What was once considered too much is now exactly what the half-ton segment needs. The market is saturated with pickups that all look a little too similar, and Nissan is seizing the opportunity to break the mold. The 2027 Titan inherits a massively imposing grille, flanked by razor-sharp LED lighting signatures that give it a distinctive identity day or night. It carries over the muscular, flared fenders that look like they've been hammered from a solid block of metal, housing significantly larger tires right from the factory. And perhaps most importantly, the new Titan adopts the Warrior's purpose-built, technical stance. This doesn't look like a luxury car with a bed. It looks like a tool engineered for capability. Number 5. V8 is back. Coming in at number 5 is the news every true truck enthusiast has been waiting for. The roar of a V8 is returning to the lineup. While the Warrior concept that inspired this new design was based on the Titan XD and its diesel powertrain, the 2027 model isn't backing down an inch when it comes to power. In a stunning move, Nissan is capitalizing on the recent rollback of certain emission standards to bring back a gasoline V8. Look at the competition, and the trend is clear. Ram brought back the Hemi. General Motors is investing heavily in new V8 generations. And even Toyota is considering its legendary 5.7-liter for the Tundra. Nissan's 5.6-liter V8 might not be the most fuel-efficient powertrain on the market, but that's not the point. It's all about the raw power and the deep rumble. This engine is designed to draw the attention of old-school truckers, the enthusiasts who don't accept compromises. Ask any of them, and they'll tell you straight, those so-called pickups like the Maverick and Santa Cruz don't count. They're grocery getters with beds, not trucks. Unibody frames, tiny engines, front-wheel drive. You can't haul or rumble your way through mud in those things. The 2027 Titan is being built for the real crowd, the ones who bleed oil, who measure weekends in miles of dirt and payload weight. For them, a truck without a V8 and a full frame isn't a truck at all. Number 4. Twin-turbo V6, a new age powerhouse. You can hear the purists saying, nothing replaces a V8. And for many, that will always be true. But what if I told you the alternative is so powerful, it's at least worth a shot? The cutting-edge twin-turbo V6 isn't just any engine. It's the same force-fed powerhouse currently found under the hood of the Armada SUV. This 3.5-liter unit is a marvel of modern engineering, delivering V8 rivaling horsepower and stump-pulling torque that comes on low in the RPM range. This drivetrain is a beast. We are talking about 450 horsepower and 515 pound-feet of torque. Now, imagine that same engine, but properly tuned specifically for the demands of the 2027 Titan's truck frame. With heavy-duty cooling, a reinforced transmission, and the right gearing, this twin-turbo V6 isn't just an option for fuel economy, it's a performance upgrade. We are looking at a tow rating that will confidently surpass the 12,000-pound mark, putting it right in the thick of the half-ton tow wars. This gives the new Titan a brilliant 1-2 punch, the classic, rumbling soul of a V8 for the traditionalists, and a modern, high-tech twin-turbo V6 that offers even greater power and capability for those ready to embrace the future. Number 3. Interior. Let's be honest, the Titan's cabin was probably one of its weakest links. But for the 2027, gone is the outdated, button-cluttered dashboard. In its place comes a modern cockpit, focused on driver, and dominated by a massive display that seamlessly integrates the digital gauge cluster and infotainment. Think of the latest Armada's smart, clean design, but amplified with premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and authentic aluminum or wood accents. But it's not just about looks, it's about intelligent functionality. The 2027 Titan is packed with smart storage solutions you actually need. A massive center console can swallow a laptop. A reconfigurable lower dashboard is offering wireless charging for multiple devices, and ingenious door panel bins are designed to hold large water bottles and tools. This comprehensive modernization finally gives the Titan a cabin that competes on quality, technology, and everyday usability with the Ram, Ford, and GM. Number 2. Pro 4X. We can call this model a secret weapon. For years, it's been one of the most underestimated off-roaders you could buy. With the 2027 Titan, the underdog era is over. The new Pro 4X is designed to be a conqueror, built right at Nissan. It's engineered from the outset to take on the toughest terrains right from the showroom floor. Nissan has looked at the TRX, the Raptor, and the TRD Pro, and has built a legitimate contender. Factory lift, more aggressive approach and departure angles, and upgraded, competition-grade off-road shocks are going to draw the attention. The truck is wrapped in a set of all-terrain tires mounted on unique bead-lock-capable wheels. Protecting its vitals is a suite of heavy-duty steel skid plates. And to ensure you have confidence in any situation, the Titan Pro 4X features an upgraded, fully electronic terrain management system with dedicated modes for sand, rock, and mud. Number 1. Price. In an era where truck prices seem to climb for no reason, Nissan is poised to turn the situation into its ultimate advantage. While you can still find a few bare-bones half-ton trucks for just under $40,000 today, the trend is clear. By 2027, that number is likely to be the new starting point for most pickups. This is where Nissan has always shined. The Titan has consistently been the value king, offering more truck for your money, and all signs point to the 2027 model continuing that tradition. If the company can aggressively position the entry-level S or SV trim to start under that crucial $40,000 mark, this pickup will be an absolute home run. Of course, the high-end Pro 4X and Platinum Reserve grades will wear a premium price tag with all their new features. However, we won't know the full pricing structure until the official debut. But by securing an affordable starting point, Nissan isn't just selling a truck, they're offering an invitation.